Good evening, children. I am back again with another very interesting and important tutorial that today I will cover today in my tutorial. That is Introduction to Python modules or function. This topic, why I am covering today, is because some of my someone has requested to cover a tutorial on Python modules. Children of class 11th and class 12, especially class 12, for your project purpose, Python modules and functions are very important to create your or to develop your project. All right. So today I will cover what is Python module, how to create a Python module, how to work on it. Each and everything, children, I will cover, and each and everything I will show you practically. So first of all, you have to know that what do you mean by a module. So a Python module, actually it is a file. It's a .py extension file, nothing more than that. So a Python module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. Consists of some function definitions, some set of statements are there. A module can define a function, a class, variables should be there. A module can also include runnable code. So a module is nothing but a simple Python file which consists of some functions, maybe consists of any class, consists of variables, and can include runnable code, the code which can able to execute, known as runnable code. All right. Now, the advantages of Python module. Now we have to know that what are the advantages, why we will use Python module. Now Python code, if the codes are there within a module, it is very useful to import that module functionality. Suppose for an example, one module, children, one of the very important module is math module, math. So if we import that math library, then the functions which are present within that math module, like sqrt function, pow function, so many functions are there. So we can able to access those functions without writing any coding for executing those or to get that that sqrt function or pow function. Only we have to use it. So that is called reusability. So a module can be used in some other Python code also. So the module that we are creating, we will create, so any other person can able to use your Python code. So this facility is called the reusability of code. So for that reason, if you create a module once, you can reuse it as many times as possible. Okay, so that is the beauty of why we will use or we will create the Python module. So once you have created, you can able to reuse it. Okay, so that is called reusability, code reusability. Okay, now if we want to use that module in any of your Python program, just we have to import that module. Okay, so next is a module allows us to logically organize the Python coding. Organize the coding in a very useful manner. Now for an example, if a module consists of multiple functions and same type of functions if you need in any other Python program, so if you do not import the module, again you have to write the same codings and the file will become lengthier, and what will happen, your compilation timing, execution time will become, it will take more time to execute and compile. Okay, so for that reason, the beauty is that we have to reuse the code. So that is, for that reason, we will create a module and we will reuse it when and where it is necessity. When there is any necessity of the code, means we need that code, we will just reuse it. Now, last is grouping related code into a module makes the code easier to understand. So if we group a set of statements into a module, and then what will happen, it will make our code easier to understand. So these are some of the advantages that why we will use or we will create a module. All right. Now I will show you how to create a module. So creating a module is very easy. It is easy task. So what I will do is simple. In this set of statements, what I will do, I will open my Python shell and just I will copy paste this set of codes. Now in this file, what I will do is I will just want to use this math module. Okay, I told you that in the math module some ready-made functions are there, some variables are there which you can reuse it. So I want to use this pi value. So I want to calculate the area of a circle, and what the formula is pi r square. So pi you can get from math module. So you have to import, first of all you have to import math, and then how you will create your module, give any name, before name just write DEF. This is the keyword for creating a module. So just it is a function actually. So DEF, that is a keyword definition, keyword. Just give that keyword, give any name. And as because this function will take a parameter. So what parameter? Because what is the need of the parameter? Because the value that you will pass here, so that value will come here and it will calculate the pi r square. So this r value you have to pass as a parameter within this function. All right. And the function will return the value. Now what I will do is only this much of statement. What I will do, I will save my file, and I will save this file, and in this file only the function which is present is circle underscore area. Okay. So what I will do is I will write the name is circle area. Circle area is the name of this module. All right. So in this way you can create your module. All right. Now one by one, each and everything, children, I will show you how to create a module. So in this way you can create a module. Okay. Now if you want to create within a module more than two functions, if you want to write, you can also do it. So again, another function I want to keep in this particular module. So what I will do, my next function is to calculate the perimeter of the circle. So perimeter of the circle. So my function name is perimeter underscore circle. This function will also take a parameter. This one is that is for the radius. So 2 pi r. So pi you will get from math module. So 2 into math dot pi star this radius. Okay. And to create this function you have to write DEF, this keyword. So these two functions you are putting into this file, and the file name that I have given is circle area. Okay. Now after creating this module you have to just save it. So this is the way how you can create your module. So in this module I have created two functions. One is to calculate the area of a circle. Another is to calculate the perimeter of a circle. Now, your module is ready to use. Now, when you want to use this module, I will show you, children, you can use it anywhere, wherever you need. All right? Okay. Now, next is importing the Python module. Now, after creating the module, you can use it wherever you need. All right, wherever you need, you can use it. So what I will do is, my name of this module is circle area, circle area. So what I will do, I will create a new file, and there I will import this circle area. So what I have to write, as you know, so let me write this circle area. So this is the name of my module. So whatever the module you want to use in your Python program, just import that particular module. As just now I have shown that if you want to use the math module, you have to simply write import math. Now, just now, this is the user defined. Math is built-in, means it is already there. Already there. It is built in. Here, the module that I have created, circle area, it is user defined module. So just now I have created this module, and wherever I need those two functions, I can use it anywhere. All right. So the name of the function is, remember the function names don't be, you have to use this same name. Okay. So I have imported this circle area, and I will use this. Suppose I want to use this circle underscore area. So what I will write, circle underscore area. So here I will just give a print statement, and here I will write calculation of area of a circle, comma, and then give the name of the module. So my name of the module is circle area dot. Now give the function name. So what is the name of my function? The name of my function is this, area circle underscore area. Okay. So give that name properly, otherwise it will not come. Otherwise it will not come. Okay. So give the name of the function and then give the parameter. That means the value of that radius. So I am giving suppose 5. That is the value of the radius. So in this way, module name dot function and then give the value, parameter value. In this way, you have to use the module. Okay. Save your file. Now I will give suppose test2. I will give the name is test2. Okay. And execute. Now see, this is in this way, whenever, wherever you want to use your module, you can use it. Just you have to write what? Import and then give the name of the module. So import, give the name of the module, and just whenever you are using, just give module name dot which function you want to use. As just now I have shown you that I will show you built-in modules. I will show you later on this in this tutorial. I will show you. So is it clear, children, that how to create a module, how to use it? To use that module, you have to just import it, and within that particular module, if you want to access only a particular function, just I have shown you that only I want to access that circle underscore area function. So you have to write module name dot the name of the function and then give the parameter value. So the parameter value that I have given is 5. So it will take this 5 value here and it will calculate. So it will calculate this pi math.pi into r square. So accordingly, it has shown the output here. All right. Okay. Next is now importing multiple modules. Now say suppose just now I have created a module name is circle area. What is the name of my module? Circle area. This is the name of the module, circle area. Now if I want another module, so no problem. So another module I will create. So file new and then just create another module is, suppose in that module I want to calculate the area of a rectangle. So I will give, what I will write? Def area underscore rect. That is the name of my function. Okay, here I will take 2 parameter, area of a rectangle, so length into breadth, so L comma B. All right, and I forgot to give this colon, come here and then return. What it will return? 2 into L sorry, length into breadth. So length into area, length into breadth. Now save this file. So I am saving this file as rectangle. Okay, rectangle. So that is the name of my module. So simple rectangle. Now here in my test 2, if I want to import more than one module, that only I am showing here, that if you want to import more than one module, only you have to write import and give the name of the module by using a comma here. Okay, all right. So see how I am doing here. So I will be showing here. So one module name is circle area, another module name is rectangle. So just write rectangle. So two modules I have imported. Now from the rectangle module, function name is rectangle module, function name is area underscore rect. Area underscore rect. So just write another print function here. Just give one comment just that area of the rectangular field equals to, and then give the name of the this module. The name of the module is rectangle dot. What is the name of the function? The name of the function is area underscore rect. So area underscore rect. So write area underscore rect. Give two parameters for length and breadth. All right. Save your file and execute. Observe here. Children, observe here. So in this way, the result has come. Now in this way, you can create more than one module and you can import more than one modules if there is any need that I want to work, I have to work with more than one modules, two modules, three modules. So you can just import by just mentioning the name of the module, put a comma, another module name, put a comma, another module name, like that way. Now when you are using those module, just how you will use module name dot function name. Now when you are accessing that particular function, give the parameter value, the parameter, what type of parameter it is, how many parameters are there, accordingly you have to give the values. All right. Okay. Next is very, very interesting. Another interesting thing is that you can give you can create one alias name of that particular module that you are importing. You can give a duplicate name. Children of class 12, I think you know very well that that when you are importing like NumPy module, you are importing that matplotlib module. So you can give one alias name. So same here, you can give here also when you are importing. So here you can give rectangle as I'm giving R. So I'm creating one alias name for this rectangle module. So if I'm having alias name, only I will give that alias name, not the full name, only the alias name. As simple as that. Clear? Save your file and execute. All right. So in this way, this is very, very interesting, children, that you can create your module. You can give, if the module name is very big, you can create an alias name of that particular module and use that alias name. Okay. All right. Now, next is I will discuss some built-in functions. Okay. Now, what do you mean by built-in functions? So Python built-in functions are defined as a function whose functionality is predefined in the Python. Already it is predefined. We are not creating, already it is there. So the Python interpreter has several functions that are always present for us. Like built-in function is print, built-in functions, this sqrt from the math module, pow functions, then input, then print, so many functions each and every time we are using. So all those functions are built-in functions. Built-in functions means which are defined as a function whose functionality is predefined, already it is there. I will show you these two, math.sqrt and math.pow. I will show you here. Observe here, children. What I will do, for that I have to import math. So which module I am using, so that module you have to import first, and then you have to just write print, and then suppose you are you want to check the square root. So square root, okay, write math dot sqrt. So square root of, say, suppose 5. Okay, all right. One is square root, another is pow. I will show you pow function. Pow means power. Already you know that. Let me execute these statements. So this is a square root of 5. All right. Now pow function, same. What I will do is copy, come here and paste. Here I will use the pow function. Pow equals to, here what I will write, pow function takes 2 parameters. What is the actual pow function is that whatever you will write here, it will go to the power of this first number. So 2 to the power 5. Let me take 2 to the power 2, make it simple, save your file and execute. Clear? So in this way, built-in some functions, some modules are there which are ready-made, which is already there, just you have to use it. So these are all built-in modules. Under this math module, so many functions are there. So whatever the functions which are needed, so what I have to do is to use those functions under the math module, you have to import math, and then whenever you are using, you want to use, so you just give the name of that particular module, dot give the function. If the function needs any parameters, so give the value of that particular parameter. Clear? So today in this tutorial, I have discussed what do you mean by module, what are the advantages of using module, why we will use module, how to create module, how to import module, how to import more than one module in your program. So this is what we are doing, what we are doing here. By using importing module, we are doing the reusability of the code. All right, we have created one alias name of the module, and we also have imported the built-in modules which are there. Under the built-in module, some functions we have used. Up to this, if there is any questions, children, you can ask me, you can comment in the comment section. I will be happy. All right. And I will be happy if there is any request for any future in my next video, what will be the topic for my next tutorial. All right, children. Thank you and have a nice day. Good night.